This is a Victorinox gardening knife. This is a really nice knife. The crest is gold embossed into the handle. It only has one blade, but it's a long flat blade, which is ideal for pruning and stuff like that, but you could use it for other things. Yeah, it's a nice long blade. Yeah, just very well made. It's also very sharp. Victorinox, Swiss made, stainless. It's got a very powerful spring, so when you close it, it's a nice click, nice thump. These are not expensive. They're surprisingly cheap, and they make a great addition to any collection. This flat blade doesn't come on an awful lot of multi-tool models. There is smaller versions on the Electrician, so it's fantastic. There's no keyring on it, but still it's pretty light in your pocket, and it's a nice size. It's 100 millimeters when it's closed, so it's perfect. Yeah, the handles are nylon and pretty durable and long lasting. These also come in a range of colours. This is the only one I could see in the shop I bought it in. There's virtually no weight in it when you pick it up. I mean, it's quite light, but its blade is quite strong. It's quite thick as well. So that's the Gardner by Victorinox, and it's a very handy shaped blade that will come in handy for all kinds of things.